Hey, Dark Horse Nation. Hope you guys are having a great afternoon. Just wanted to post a little video. Show you guys how hot it is here at only 2:36 in the afternoon. And it is hot. So if you look up here at the digital thermometer, right there, you see it? I mean, right here in the hook, I mean, 100.2 and going up. And the outdoor, 97. So, who knows what this is going to be by 5 o'clock this evening. But anyway, I just want to post that with you guys. And I hope all of you are being safe, especially all you who have to work outside. Please stay hydrated. And I mean, this is crazy right here. And little Miss Armelia there, she says, "Damn, it's hot," you know. And it's warm, so I thought I'd take a little stroll around the studio and let you guys see what's doing well and what's not doing well. And before we get started, guess what? Yeah. I made a little refreshment before I start doing this little walk around. Anyway, we're going to take a sip of this right here. Oh my Lord. What we say? Damn, that's good. Anyway, let's walk around the property real quick, and I'll try not to bore you guys too much. So far, what is doing well, this right here has really done well this summer, even during the heat. And yeah, I've been really surprised about that. And some of the evergreens did not survive. This one right here, it's not going to make it. And then got another one right here. I don't think it's going to make it. Yeah. And then got this one's doing good. I mean, it's doing really well. And this one right here, it's just gonna die. And I gave it extra water, done everything I can do. It's not gonna survive. But the heat has just been so intense, yeah. And at least today there is a breeze going on. And Armelia says, "What would you do if you had to stay out here all day?" Yeah. Then, yeah, the hostas are a little droopy. And so I'm going to go up through here. And I've got to admit, the hanging baskets have done pretty good because I've been watering those twice a day. And yeah, I'm surprised. Yeah, I mean, really. I'm surprised. So, my main thing I wanted to check out today in this heat, if it was 100 back here at the hut, what kind of temp do you think it is in this birdhouse over here where the bluebirds are? Yeah, and so I thought I'd come over here and we're going to check this out and see if those little guys are okay in this heat. And there's our hanging baskets, which is doing good. So, oh yeah, check this out, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see. Let me try to blow this up a little bit. But yeah, look at that. Can you see? I don't know if it's going to focus or not. I'm on focus. Let's try that. You see them? And they are alive, doing well. They're starting to do feathers. And I'm expecting the dad to fly by here and bust me in my damn head here in a little bit. But yeah, they the three of them are doing good. Now I mean, I can't believe it in this heat. So yeah, everyone's looking at me like, what the hell are you doing, dude? Alright, so I hope you're able to see that. It's not wanting to focus real well, but back off a little bit. This may turn out to be a big old blob here, guys. I'm sorry. Alright guys, this is going to be the best it's going to do because the wind is blowing this thing around and I don't want to mess with it. But anyway, they're alive, doing well, and I don't know how they do it, but yeah. So it's just hot, and it's like, man, windmill's doing its thing today, and crepe myrtles are they're hanging in there. And then there's some other stuff here that's just gonna die. Ain't nothing I can do about it. Yeah, this one here is yeah, it's not in good shape. It's just so hot, yeah. And then Lord. So anyway, yeah, these crepe myrtles are doing fairly decent. Yeah. And then alright, so got an angle here, and then this is a hibiscus, and as you can see, it's closed up because it's so hot. And this one, it has been thriving, believe it or not, and it's got a nice color to it, and it's yeah, one of those vine hibiscus trees, and doing pretty well. Then a lot of the other stuff, man, it's just it's so hot, you know. And we'll go over here to the garden. We'll see how droopy it is right now. And I'm sweating bullets. I mean, damn, this is hot. Yeah, we had a flood just about yesterday, and I mean, this is already drying out. Yeah, it doesn't take long in this heat. I'll tell you one thing that does good out here in this heat, and that's these jalapeno peppers. Yeah, I mean, they're doing real good. Everything else is struggling. So, I mean, some of the tomatoes, I mean, they're making tomatoes. Yeah. And, but it's just so dry, guys. And right there. Then the sunflowers are coming up. And, yeah, the corn is a little crappy. But, I don't know. It'll either grow or it won't. So, green beans are doing good. Yep, they're starting to get some runners. Yeah. So hopefully those will be alright. It was a little bit late too when I got the corn started. Yeah, I should have started a month earlier on this garden. I just didn't have time. But anyway, guys, walk back down here. And I'm sweating like a dog. Oh my Lord. But anyway, I gotta get in here and do some serious maintenance. And the Nandina, they're doing actually well, and for the most part. And yeah, but it's just so hot, y'all. And I mean, it's been one of the hottest summers I can remember here in a long time. And that hanging basket right there, it's doing good. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, right there. It's doing good. But anyway, guys, I'm about ready to get out of this heat. I'm just kind of curious to see what the temperature is now. Since we just walked around the property. Anyway, like I say, I hope you guys are staying safe. Y'all have a great day. And that's what we got. Okay, well that's cool. It actually dropped a degree, so yeah, that's a plus. Just depends on how many clouds cover the sky, yeah. Alright guys, I'm gonna get off of here. It's hot. And y'all have a great day. Stay safe. Please like and subscribe. Love you guys. Take care, and I'll catch you guys with another video at some other time, and I'll catch you guys later. All right, bye.